1MI100H-025 by uscomponent.com. Fuji 1MI100H-025 is a semiconductor module engineered for industrial applications, featuring a current rating of 100A and a voltage rating of 250V. Developed to meet the demands of moderate power systems, this module provides reliable performance and efficient power handling capabilities. Its compact design and integrated features simplify installation and enhance system reliability. With advanced thermal management systems, overheating is prevented, ensuring sustained operation even in challenging environments. The 1MI100H-025 module is versatile, finding applications in motor drives, power supplies, and various industrial systems. In summary, this module offers efficient power handling, reliability, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for moderate power industrial applications. Ready to buy 1MI100H-025? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.